Do you want to make your life incrementally better every day? I'll tell you how. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. So, when I was younger, and actually up through my 20s, kind of just to the end of my 20s, I just didn't have like a lot of motivation for life. When I was younger, I was kind of bubbly and stuff like that, and like really into my head, which is fine, but it wasn't like a positive forward momentum thing, and that kind of continued on. I never thought I'd live past 30, first of all. I just I couldn't imagine what would be great past 30, and I just, I never thought necessarily that I was gonna kill myself, but I mean, I contemplated things like that. But really, it was just like, well, there's nothing for me past 30. And that's kind of when my timeline stopped. And there was just not this motivation to keep going, to keep thinking about how to love my life and to be more positive and things like that. It was just kind of playing the NPC role within my life. And once I started getting more into personal growth and I started implementing some habits, I kind of realized that it's up to my mindset. I have to train my mind to start finding the things that I want in my life. If you wake up and you don't consider like making your life better, well, then that's not going to be on your radar. It's not going to be in your reticular activating system, your RAS, right? So you're just not going to be looking for it. And likely that probably means you're just going to be looking for like the normal stuff that's not really important in your life. Like, what are other people doing? What's going on Facebook and Instagram and in the news, and just kind of all this like boring stuff that doesn't really matter too much. But if you train yourself to look for positive things, you'll find positive things. If you train yourself to look for more negative things because of your self-talk and the things you're conditioning yourself with, you'll find more of those. So what I did was to add a couple little habits. Pardon. What I did was to add a couple little habits in my life to make it better, to make me look for these things more often. I'm going to tell you what they are right now. So the first one was to have a morning routine. Just something simple. Wake up, smile, have something going for you in your life, and get a big drink of water, big glass of water right away, right in the morning. Okay, just start your day off right. If you start your day and you eat something crappy and delicious like Oreos or Snickers, then the rest of your day is just shot. Okay, so just wake up, start happy, and then it's gonna be like, well, I started the day happy, so I gotta keep this up. I started the day healthy, so I gotta keep this up. Right? And that persists throughout your day, and that makes a better day, which makes a better week, which makes a better month and quarter and year. It just expands out there. It's just making yourself 1% better every day, right? And that's not the only thing though. I also added a couple anchors. So what that means is when I leave my house, I turn left out the door and I see this nice big green tree, and I just look at it and take in the greenness of the tree, take in the nature, and just take a deep breath, look at it and just say, I love my life. And I repeat that for, 5, 10 times, maybe longer. It depends how long my focus can stay on it. And that's one of those things that gets stuck in your head. It loops in your head as this music track that keeps playing over and over again, and it adds to the positivity of your life. And the last one is in my journaling process that I teach on inowfeelpositive.com for you INFPs that want to make something better in your life. You want to take control of your emotions and the positivity of your life and make an impact. You can go there. One thing that I do is I write in my introverted sensing quadrant. This is the stabilizing guardian quadrant. This is the character that goes back into your past and looks at all the library books of your life and pulls out the stories and the experiences from there to tell you what life is about. Okay, but we kind of struggle with that. We have kind of a lot of bad memories that we pull out. But anyway, I go every day and I track the magic that happened in my life. What is one thing that was really good today? Like today for me, I was playing with my daughter outside. It was an unusually cold day. The day before it was nice and hot, and I was saying it's so nice and hot just over and over again because it was great. And today it was snowy. We got a bunch of snow. And so this was like her second time ever playing in the snow. So we made a bunch of snowmen. We made 20 snowmen. And she was just having a blast, big smiles and everything like that. We used my D20, my dice and stuff for the eyes and the buttons and stuff. It was great. This is my magic from today. That was something I just really loved. And the smaller that you can get, the better. She was running around and I noticed, I took a snapshot of one of her smiles. That's just a moment to help you find more positivity in your life. And if you can train yourself to do all these 3 things, I think 3. 1, wake up with a better routine, something, smile, get some water, do something healthy. Also 2, anchor a couple habits in to build more positivity. And then 3, track the magic. You will have a more positive and better life. That's all you gotta do. And if you fall off, if you don't do it one day, just do it the next day. Just don't break the chain for too long. All right, so I hope that this video helped. If you want some one-on-one coaching, you can go to geekpsychology.com and sign up for a clarity session to see if we are a good match together. And also we'll just get some clarity on your issues and what you're going for and how you can get some more momentum in your life and go forward to where you want to go. And if not, you can check out some other videos over here and over here, or you can go to inowfeelpositive.com if you're an INFP and get your life right. All right, so have a great day. Keep up the lifelong quest and good luck, have fun. Peace.